Hey. Whoa. Found the snake that's hanging out inside this engine block. But he's gone. He gone. Or it's gone. Dang. Alright, so I know I got snake hanging around in here. Dang, I went to get this phone, and damn, it's gone. Was hanging out right there on the intake manifold. Oh well, you know what? Tell them where it's at. Could be in here. No. Oh well. No. Shit. Okay, so, you know, there's a lot of dangers, especially, it's gone, but, you know, you got to be kind of alert for anything, and it's been raining a lot, so just trying to get everything running. But you know, when you're out alone, you can get taken out by anything. But man, I got to get all this stuff cut. I don't think it was a poisonous snake, but thing is if you run into a snake, try not to move too fast. But you know, I had to go over to the truck and get this iPhone to try to catch it, but when I came back, it's gone. It's probably still in there somewhere. Who knows? But they want to avoid you as much as you want to avoid them. I really think about it. So I'm making a video on a snake, but there's no snake. It's gone. I don't know what that means. What it means is you could be out there and something could be watching you and you don't even know it. A predator, like a, you know, mountain lion, anything could be observing you and you not even know it. So you always got to be alert. Every time I do something, I look for something that could, you know, possibly take me out of the game. And I've definitely got to cut this grass because it's too high. The cows, you know, they're eating a lot, but, you know, they're not eating enough. Need to try to figure out a way to cut this and bale it. But, you know, it's going to be pretty hard to really, if you're from the city, you're going to have a very hard time figuring this kind of stuff out. I'm still learning, and I've been doing this for 5 years now. Main thing is you can get taken out of the game by a tree or anything. So you got to be careful. See y'all later. Dang, I wish I could have got a picture of that snake. Still in there somewhere. And I don't know much about how to handle snakes either, so oh well. Stay alert.